So beautiful. I've seen the stars from a dozen countries, but they're never as good as they are out here in the Caribbean.
A dozen. It's just, wow.
Yeah, they're beautiful, but they always make me feel small.
I like it. I like feeling small. We're all just tiny creatures, little aliens holding on to each other out in the middle of nowhere. I think it's perfect. Hey, can you see me? I'm down here!
What are you doing?
You left me behind, but I'm okay! I'm happy!
Wait, are you okay?
You know, I've never even been on a plane before today. Or in the ocean. I only ever left Smallville once. I flew all the way to California. All the way to the coast.
Yeah, but you just
and you know
said-
what? I didn't even land. I just turned around and flew home. I got scared. I'm done being scared.
Oh, you really are having a moment, aren't you?
It just hit me. I don't want to leave Smallville. I mean, I don't want to stay in Smallville. I want to leave Smallville. I can't stay there. I've been put on this world for a reason, and I've already wasted so much time. I want to see the stars from a dozen countries. I want to talk to people who really make a difference. I want to see the big picture.
You will, I bet you will.
Sorry, I'm super weird. I'm a super weird alien.
It's okay. I'm a super weird alien too.